I just installed them, and my left rear, I drove down the road and I could hear a clunking in this, well, towards the back. Then I finally pinpointed I would run into a pothole with this side, and as soon as this back wheel hit, I heard, a clunking noise. So, and I took my wheel off, everything's tight, I like thought I might have forgot to tighten some, but everything's torqued. The strut mounts are torqued, and I started picking up on it, and there's really no resistance here. So then I jacked up the opposite side. I'll show you there. This side has resistance. I mean, I can't barely move this side. It's not moving. Now, this side right here. There's, I'm able to move it, so I don't know if you can hear that, but inside the car, it's pretty loud.